Alright, so we have a question here dealing with a system of equations, and we can solve it pretty quickly if we set our equations up and then come up with a strategy from there. The cost of 3 notebooks and 4 pencils is $8.50. So I'll say N is the cost of a notebook, and we have 3 of them, so that's some total cost for notebooks. And P will be the cost of a pencil, and we have 4 of those. We add them up, and that's $8.50. Then we're told that the cost of 5 notebooks, so 5N, assuming notebooks are the cost, this is the same notebook we're talking about, right, or same priced notebook, plus 8 pencils is $14.50, right? Determine the cost of 1 notebook and 1 pencil. Only an algebraic solution will receive full credit. Okay, so the algebraic solution here that I think is easiest to use is to take your first equation and then double everything. And why do we do that? Well, hang in there a second, and I hope we'll be able to see that. So if we double everything in the first equation, I'll write it down here, we get 6n plus 8p, right, equals 850 doubled, that's $17. Okay. So our second equation is still 5n plus 8p equals 1450. Now, if we just subtract the second equation from the first, watch what happens here. 6n minus 5n is just 1n, or just n. And what about 8p minus 8p? Well, that's nothing. That cancels out. We use elimination. And 17 minus 1450 is $2.50. So this tells us that a notebook costs $2.50. And just to go back, the reason I doubled that first equation is because I knew I wanted to cancel out the pencils here, so I knew I had to turn that 4 into an 8. I could have used the notebooks, except I would have had to get a common multiple of 3 and 5. Now, that's 15, so I would have had to multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 3, so it would have taken more steps, so I chose to eliminate with the pencils. Now, once we know the cost of a notebook, we can find the cost of a pencil by plugging this number into either of our equations. I'll choose the first one here. So, okay, this is our first equation, I'll use this one. So 3n plus 4p is 850. Well, 3 notebooks, that's 3 times 250, right? That's $7.50. Plus 4p equals 850. Well, here if we subtract 750 from both sides, 4p equals $1, right, or 1. Divide by 4, and p equals 0.25. So a pencil is 25 cents. All right, thanks.